Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. I just showed you some areas of my home where the Christmas decor is. I am gonna kick this vlog off. I have to run some errands and you'll see me go with my kids. So let's get started. I hope you guys are having a happy holiday season so far. Let's go. We made our way to the library. This was our quickest trip. I went in and out with the kids. I grabbed some books for myself. We seen this in the parking lot, a bunch of bees. Bees are a really good sign of abundance. Then we headed over to the Dollar Tree. We love the Dollar Tree. We can just buy and buy and buy. I buy all my craft supplies here, construction paper, markers, glue, paint. We love doing crafts, and Mama loves her pens. I love pens and notebooks. I found these Gelly Roll knockoffs. Okay, we made it to Target. We're waiting for our drive-up order. Thank God for Target and this drive-up order. I can get dinner, and I don't have to take my kids in. Back to the vlog. I'm gonna do a Black Friday unboxing. I got some stuff from 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗖𝗛. 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗖𝗛 is a black hair care brand, black woman owned, I believe black Nigerian woman owned, and I love their products. So she had 60% off, which is a steal. I'm gonna unbox it. I already started opening it, so I won't struggle on camera, but I got an Afro-tastic Elastic. This is a deep conditioner. This is a moisturizing and protein balancing deep conditioner. This is the very first product I tried from them. Absolutely love this. 6 things. I got another one to buy these products or multiples because I take care of everybody's hair in the house. I do my daughter's hair, I do my son's hair, and I take care of my husband's hair, and of course my hair. I do my hair the most, so having like these in my stash helped me maintain my hair, and I don't have to worry about running out of certain products. So I got the Muru Moisture Guru. This is a moisturizer. This is so good. It's pretty much like a butter. And you can use this to hydrate the hair. Use it on dry hair. It just locks in the moisture. I used this on my son's hair when he be 4 or 5 months, when his hair was really dry. I used one whole jar on him for months, and I would just take a little bit and work it into his hair and his scalp, and his hair stayed moisturized. Because you know with babies, they're laying on their head, and you know, Shebe Ginger super deep conditioner with Shebe Ginger and stimulating herbs. It's a really good deep conditioner. I got 2 of these, so I got 2 of everything, and the shipping was not that bad. I just got it maybe like yesterday. So I got 2 of these. And then I got 2 of these, the moisturizer. And then I got 2 of these. So I got 4 deep conditioners and 2 moisturizers. That's me at least 6 months. During that time, I could just buy shampoo and I could buy other things besides these products. So that is my biggest tip for keeping my hair together, is buying products in bulk when I need them, planning ahead. So I have a couple things to do. I think I'm gonna clean some makeup brushes. I wanna do some makeup looks and review some makeup for you guys. So I'm gonna do that. And then I also am gonna declutter my makeup a little bit with you guys. So I have some couscous, bell pepper, and red onion. These are Beyond sausages, and then I have some hummus. This is just a quick little breakfast, lunch, or brunch. Okay, so I like to use Cinema Secrets. I normally get the blue one, but I wanted to try out the lemon. Sorry, the camera, there it is. The lemon scent. I normally use like a little tin it comes with. That way you don't use that much products, but I'm gonna use this. Like a little Muji container. I do use Dr. Bronner's liquid soap and the bar soap. to clean my brushes. It gets it clean and they dry pretty quickly. Also clean your brushes with just dish soap and water. I'm gonna put a little, just a little. Let's get another one. Just dipping it in. And then I'm just gonna brush it on my makeup towel. These are makeup towels. See? All clean. I'm just gonna, it's all clean. See how clean that is? And then what I'll do is I'll clean the handles with rubbing alcohol. I'll do 91% or 90% of isopropyl and just wipe the handles down really good. These are my personal brushes, but I still clean them and wipe them down. And you just set them out to dry, and that's it. Okay, guys, I showed you guys how a couple ways or a few ways I clean my brushes, and it's so important to have makeup cleanliness. You gotta have clean tools, clean makeup, a clean makeup station, and skincare, excuse me, also plays a part in how your makeup performs as well. Now I'm gonna talk about expired makeup. Every day I make some time to throw out a few pieces until I'm getting rid of pretty much anything I don't use, I don't want anymore, I can't wear because it's expired. There is some expired makeup in my collection that is just collectible. I just have it because the packaging is limited edition. It's never going back on my face, okay? This is some of it I've gotten started. Here's some palettes, Urban Decay, and then a number of we needed to pick up a few things from Target, and we picked up some shoes for my daughter's performance. She was a toy soldier in the Nutcracker. She did amazing. We are so, so proud of her. Select and finish. You do this one? Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next vlog. Bye.